Good day. I am from Globalize Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive your buy data from Bright Star Agency in the Philippines, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, yes or no?
Yes.
Are you a 100% willing to come here in Malaysia without any hesitation?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
What kind of yes? Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
I have no issue in my body, ma'am.
Okay. So, do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
No. Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this your first time working abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
Why you wanted to come here as a domestic helper?
I want to finish my house and support my family and support my brother in college.
Why did you choose to come here in Malaysia?
So I want to come in Malaysia to finish my house, ma'am, and my my sister, because I have so many siblings. I have
Wow.
11 siblings.
How many siblings do you have?
11.
11. And what is your rank
Yes.
in your family? Are you the eldest?
Eldest girl,
Mm.
3 sister and 8 boys.
Okay, so as long as you are willing to come to work here, you need to prove to yourself that you can finish your 2 years contract and you can endure all those things, okay? You need to endure all
Yes, ma'am.
those hardships in life, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
What is your name?
My name is Kindy Mansubayan Busyo from Ingoog City, 26 years old.
26. 24 or 26?
26.
Do you have passport?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you single or married?
Single.
Single with live-in partner?
Yes.
Single parent? Married?
Single with live-in partner. I have one child,
How old is the child?
6 years old. She's grade 1, girl.
Okay. When is your birthday?
March 21, 2018.
What is your name again, ah?
My name?
Yeah.
My name my name is Kinde Mansubayan Busyo from Ingoog City, Misamis Oriental.
Okay. Because in your buy data, it was stated that your birthday is on January 4, 2001. So can you repeat again when is your birthday?
My birthday is June 13, 1998.
What is your height and your weight?
My height 5'2" and my weight is 65.
65. What is your religion?
Roman Catholic,
Your educational background?
college level,
In what course?
Bachelor of Elementary Education.
Wow.
Be-
Why you didn't finish your college, your studies? What happened?
Na no money to
No money.
pay my tuition.
Okay. Okay. So is your family allow you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
So can you tell me more about your family? Your
My
family
family, my
details?
family. Yes, my family is my mom, housewife, and my father is furniture. And I have so many siblings, and my college two brothers, and my sister is one. I want to support them.
Okay. So you mentioned that you got one kid which is 6 years old, correct?
Yes po.
You
Yes,
will
ma'am.
going to take care of your child once you come to work here in Malaysia?
My mother.
Your mother. So you know that you will going to sign a 2 years contract, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I would like you to understand that any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, you cannot easily go back home, okay? Because you signed a
Yes.
2 years contract, breaching or terminating of contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency, right?
Yes.
So nobody forced you to come and work here. You are the one who decided to come and work here because you also mentioned just a while ago that you have a lot of siblings, which is you wanted to support them, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So in your by data, it was stated that you have experience way back 2015 to 2016 as a housemaid. Is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it a stay-in maid?
Ma'am?
Is it stay-in?
Yes.
You worked there for 1 year.
1 year?
Okay, so can you share it with me? What are your primary duties to your previous employment in the Philippines?
Ma'am?
What are your primary duties to your previous employment in Philippines?
In my Philippines, my I have to I, my primary
Your
is to
responsibilities. Okay, you work way back 2015 to 2016 in Philippines for 1 year as a housemaid, correct?
yes,
What are your duties there? Your responsibilities. What did you do there?
all around
All around,
all around
okay?
and all around the task to to
Did you cook? Did you do laundry? Did you do ironing?
yes, all around the my cook my
So did you take care of any children or any elderly there?
no,
Only do house chores.
yes,
Okay. After 2016, do you have any working experience?
yes, ma'am.
In what kind of working experience is it?
Restaurant cook all around
Okay, so what year did you started working there and how many years you work?
as a housemaid 1 year, but sa restaurant 2 months, 2 months.
2 months, 2 months. Okay. So after this, you only work as a cooker in a restaurant, correct?
Yes,
Okay. So being a domestic helper, you know that you need to be flexible, you need to be multitasking. Okay?
yes, ma'am.
Domestic helper, I would like you to understand that it is a very, very tough job. You need to clean the entire house. The houses here is very, very big. So you need to embrace yourself. You need to fasten your seatbelt because this is not an easy job. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
You need
How
to
about
prepare
my
yourself. You need to prepare yourself. Yeah?
yeah, okay, ma'am. How about my food, ma'am? Is this free?
Yes, it's free. Employer will going to provide it for you. Okay? So we are now doing the initial interview first. And after that, if there is any employer, then you need to stand by your WhatsApp, okay?
Yes po.
You can
Okay po.
ask anything about your employer, yeah?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes po.
Are you
Yes,
okay to
ma'am.
take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes po.
Can you take care elderly people?
No, ma'am. I have no experience that.
Can you cook?
Yes.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
No, I have no experience.
Okay. Are you okay to take care pets?
Yes.
Okay. So using of mobile handphone, you are not allowed to use your phone during working time, but instead you can hold it during nighttime only after you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. If you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary, which means in our contract right now you have 1,800 ringgit, but if you will work, you could have 2,080 ringgit for every month. Are you okay with our rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am.
I just wanted to make it clear that in our initial interview, you agree about all of this. We don't want later that once you come to work here, you will going to demand us about all these things. No such a thing, because we were going to adhere with our no go out policy during rest day. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
If you disagree with the rules and regulations, better stay in the Philippines. Don't come here. Yeah?
Yes.
Always remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad, because you wanted to sustain your family's needs. In Philippines, you can do whatever you want, but here in Malaysia or in any other countries, no such a thing. You need to follow the rules and regulations. You need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. Okay?
Yes, po. Yes, ma'am.
So homesickness will frequently attack you, most especially that this is your first time working abroad and you will be working quite far away from your child or to your family. Normally, how will you gonna handle your homesickness later?
Okay, ma'am.
What will you do? What will you do? It's not okay. So what will you do if you feel homesick? Like if you miss your child or your family, what will you do?
I can use my cell phone in night.
You can use cell phone at night. Okay?
I will call
So
them.
okay. So Candy, I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp, because globalized agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much and have a good day.
Thank you.
Bye.